Every people has their own capabilities that can improve. I'm really grateful for having Coach Mix in my life na talaga na-encounter ko siya on how to handle me. Hi, my name is Luella S. Michel, an Operation Manager of the Catalyst Lab Manufacturing. So, si Coach Mig sobrang helpful talaga sa mga katulad ko na talagang nag-start lang as a fresh graduate and nakilala ko siya sa Discovery and sobrang daming learnings nung siya na yung nag-speak. And nakita ko yung worth ko as a person na dati sobrang mahiyain ako, natutungo lang ako pag kinakausap or iiling pag hindi. Pero the moment that I experience how he talk at talagang kung paano siya nagigive ng lessons sa mga katulad ko ay sobra akong na-lift up and sobra akong nakita yung worth ko as a person that every people has their own capabilities that can improve. I'm really grateful for having Coach Mix in my life na talagang na-encounter ko siya on how to handle me as an operation manager. And one time, kinausap niya ako and talagang nakita ko yung pagtitiwala niya sa isang katulad ko. And it really fills my heart. Talagang mas na-feel ko yung hindi ako nag-iisa. And alam ko na si Coach Mix is naniniwala sa kakayanan ng isang tao. Trust himself or herself kasi nagsisimula ang totoong pagkapanalo pag tinanggap mo yung sarili mo.